Hi you guys, it is your favorite pretty girl peeps, here to show you how I apply my lashes from Lilly Lashes. These are the Lilly Lashes Adorn lashes, so of course if you want to see how I apply these lashes, then just continue to watch. So I know somebody's going to be upset that I'm not recording in the traditional way. However, this video is more so for a company, so I want to make sure that I get the best angle also for the brand, which is probably going to be this way, so I can create some reels, some TikToks, all that good stuff for the company. So hopefully when I put it the other way, it still looks good, still makes a little sense, you know. So today's video is going to be how I apply my lashes, specifically how I apply my lashes by Lilly Lashes. So this is the Lilly Lashes new line. It's the Luxury Synthetic. And these are handmade, they're easy to apply, reusable, and they're vegan, and it says you can wear them up to 15 wears. So I am a Lilly loyalist with Lilly Lashes, so I'm gonna just show you guys how I apply these using all Lilly Lashes products. So, first things first. You want to actually take the lashes out of their package. And if I have to put this the other way in order for it to work, that's just what I'll have to do, but yeah. So hi you guys, it is your favorite pretty girl peeps. So you want to take the lashes out of the package, and this is in the style Adorn. So first things first, what you want to do, and I'm going to use all Lilly Lashes products to achieve this. So once you take them out of the package, you just lightly want to take them out off of the, I don't even know what you would call it, but you want to take it off of the thing. And this band is really light, so be delicate. So I'm going to take any little residue off because that makes your eyes look weird. Okay, so then I'm going to take my tweezers, which are by Lilly Lashes, and I'm going to measure this up against my eye. And you also want to have a mirror on deck. You want to have a mirror, a compact mirror is preferable. And first things first, we're just going to measure the lash on our eye to kind of see where it lands. We're pretty much just measuring to see if we need to cut it. So this one we don't need to cut, but if we needed to cut it, I actually have scissors from Lilly Lashes. So these ones seem like they're the perfect size. You never really know though until you actually get it on. So I think I'm actually, just for video purposes, going to just trim. Just going to trim just a little bit off. And I have really shaky hands. Okay, so I cut, and these are Lilly Lashes scissors. Cut that off. So then what I'm going to do is just simply lay that down for a second. And I'm going to take my compact mirror again. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to shake, 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 shake. Shake your booty. Shake your booty. I'm going to take that off. And I am going to use my mirror and I'm going to line. And this is the Lilly Lashes lash adhesive right here. So I'm going to take this. And I normally do about 2 lines. You want to get as close to that bottom lash, or top lash, your lash line as possible. This is a soft look, so we're not going to do a wing, but you do want to make sure you have some product at the end. So once you have that on, we're going to take the lash that we already cut, take our Lilly Lashes tweezers, and we're going to look down into the mirror, see exactly where we want to place these. You want to place them as close to the lash line as possible. You do the middle first, then the outside, then the inside. And I already had my eye makeup and mascara on, and then I just lightly fluff it like so. So pretty. And this is the Adorn, and so these are luxury synthetic lashes, but you know, because Lilly Lashes is known for their mink lashes, but to me these look good. So an additional step you can do, and this is also from Lilly Lashes, you can take your eyelash curler, put it underneath, and that just, to me, smashes them together, so it's like fluid with your actual lashes. So as you can see, that was so simple, so easy. We're just going to do the same exact thing on this eye. So I'm not going to talk through this eye. I'm going to speed probably through this eye so that you guys can just simply see me do the actual process of applying the lash. So folks, this is how I apply my lashes, my Lilly lashes to be specific. So yeah, this is the new Luxury Synthetic collection. This is the style Adorn. I am a Lilly loyalist, so I do believe I have a discount code. I'll leave it in the bottom. I believe it's PGP, or I may have made it Pretty Girl Peeps. I will definitely check and confirm in the bio, in the description, but I'm pretty sure it's PGP to kind of make it simple and easy. You can use that code on any style and you can get some percentage and some money off of the style. But this is the style Adorn. They have plenty of styles in the Luxury Synthetic, and they have plenty of styles in the regular Mink collection, which you guys have also seen me wear before. This hair, because I know somebody's gonna ask, is the Outre Stunner and DR2730. You can get this in my Amazon store. The link to that will be in the bottom as well. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this look. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment, tell a friend, watch another video. Your girl is trying to get monetized out here, okay? So make sure you help your girl out.